So Grok AI just did something that nobody liked. They quietly locked their best features behind a paywall. Now, if you want to generate videos or images, you have to pay $30 a month. And for a lot of creators, that's a deal breaker. Upload stopped, people got frustrated, some started looking for alternatives. But here's the twist. What if you don't actually need to pay at all? Because I found a method that lets you keep using Grok, not just for free, but without any limits. Hey guys, welcome back! Today I'm going to walk you through a simple setup that brings Grok back to life for free. Let's jump straight into it. Instead of going to Grok directly, we're going to use a different platform. It's called Gemini Gen AI. Follow the link in the description, then just sign up with your email. Once you're inside, you can actually see that we have only 10 credits left. But don't worry, we're not going to use any of them. Now go to Studio. It will take you to this interface. Here you can chat with AI, generate images or videos. Now scroll down a little, and you can see some of the best AI technologies right now to generate videos. Here you can see free beside Grok and VO3. So you can see these two for free on this platform. If we go to pricing plans, we can see that we are currently using the free plan, and Grok 3 here is free. Now going back to the studio, let's select Grok. So we are using the Grok 3 model. Then for generation mode, try these out. Let's use normal for now. We can use an image as reference, but let's not use it for now. Then add the prompt. There are two modes, basic and advanced. In basic, you just add the prompt directly. But in advanced, you can actually set things like the subject, action, environment, everything individually. Let's try with the basic one first. So I am entering this prompt. The camera slowly pushes into a close-up of a nervous woman in a retro office, dialing a rotary phone with shaky hands. Red neon light casting shadows, tense cinematic mood, 4K film style. Then, keeping the orientation 16:9, setting the resolution to 720p and duration 6 seconds. Now everything is set. And you can see down here that this generation will cost 0 credits. Now hit the generate button. Give it a few seconds, and there it is. A fully generated video, clean, smooth, and high quality. And here's the best part, you still have the 10 credits remaining, meaning you can repeat this process again and again. Now let's take things up a notch. There's a feature most people ignore, advanced mode. Instead of writing one simple prompt, you can break your idea into parts. This gives you way more control. You can use ChatGPT to generate detailed prompts. Just ask it to structure everything properly, then copy each section and paste it here. Simple. Now generate again. And instantly, you'll notice the difference. The video looks more realistic, more cinematic, and way more professional. Still 0 credits used. So yeah, that's the workaround. If this helped you out, drop a like and let me know in the comments what you're creating. And if you're into AI tools, subscribe. See you in the next one.